Hey guys, Dino Talks Health. Today we're going to talk about how to hold curl with fine hair. Believe it or not, I have very fine hair, flat, straight, naturally straight. I'll show past footage of it, how it looks naturally without any product or styling done to it. This is how my hair actually naturally looks, okay? That's what I'm working with. How do you get your hair to curl? I've been styling my hair now for 15 years, so trust me, I've tried like so many different products, different ways of styling my hair for how to hold a curl. I had such a bitch of a time trying to figure out how to keep my hair looking fucking salon ready, looking good, you know? How do we do this? I'm gonna share it with you right now. Okay, I'm gonna answer the questions. Which style holds best? How should you style your hair to make it curly that is actually going to be lasting for more than 2 hours? I'm going to answer the question, which products are worth your time and money? Which products actually work to hold style and curl in fine, flat, thin hair? And I'm going to answer the question, should you use hairspray? Because some people don't, some people do. So I'm going to share with you my personal experience and opinion for if you should use hairspray, and then what type of hairspray that you should actually be using. Okay, so based on my experience, heatless curls last longer. Heatless curls last longer, and I know you might not think that you have the time to do this heatless curl thing, but I'm telling you, it takes way less time to do heatless curls than it does to curl your iron with heat. I am telling you, it literally took me 5 minutes to get my hair looking like this. 5 minutes last night to do my hair up for the heatless hair curls, and to get it to look like this, all I did in the morning was I woke up, took my heatless curls out, and this is the product. You run a little bit of product through your hair and then you're fine, and you're fine all day. These curls last me all day. They do not fall out, and they always fell out a couple hours after I used a curling iron. They just would not hold when I heat styled my hair at all. It works best for my hair, for my fine, naturally fine hair, if I do heatless, and it's better for your hair. You're not going to damage your hair, you're not going to dry it out, give it split ends, make it look gross and unhealthy and just icky. It will look healthy and luscious and like shiny and just how you want your hair to look if you don't use heat. So I'll show you a brief little demonstration of how I do the heatless hair curls. You want to get a headband like this, okay, like a yoga headband, or it could be like a thinner one. It could be one like this too, like just, you can find it in like any dollar store, honestly. And then you want to put it over your head like this, okay, and you want to just take sections of your hair and fold them under, and you're going to take section by section and section and section and section it all, and so you're going to have like a big like donut looking thing over on the back like this around the actual headband. You're gonna look like Star Wars, like Princess Leia, and you're gonna go to bed like that, and you're gonna have your beauty sleep, and then you're gonna wake up and you're gonna take it all out of this headband, and you're just gonna have gorgeous hair. Like, here, can you guys see? Look at that. It literally looks like I curled it for like 2 hours this morning. All I did was use this. It took me 5 minutes to do this, and then another 2 minutes to take it out. So it took 7 minutes to style my hair, and it's good for 3 days. I'm gonna show you guys how to keep your hair curled for up to 3 days. Yes, 3 days. This lasts 3 days. Now, I forgot to mention, before you go ahead and do the heatless thing, I'm going to link a video below of exactly the technique to do it if you want like an actual play-by-play way. So I'll link it in the description below, the video, okay, of how to do the heatless curls with the headband. You want to use this product, okay? Forget mousse. Mousse is a nightmare. It's a nightmare if you have fine hair. At least for me, I never worked. It made my hair sticky, gross, and just you couldn't brush through it, and then it looked frizzy and you want to deal with mousse. This is not a mousse, but it kind of acts like a mousse because it holds the style, it holds the curl. So this is meant to create volume in your hair, but it also polishes your hair. It polishes each strand so that it's not sticky and gross like how mousse makes your hair. So your hair is still touchable, soft, brushable, bouncy, flexible, but it still holds the style. That is what this product does. It doesn't have to be this brand. It could just, you know, if you could find something similar, some kind of a volumizer that kind of acts like a leave-in conditioner at the same time, nourishes your hair, polishes your hair, that is what you're gonna need in order to put in your hair. I just happen to use this Tresemme Expert Selection brand. It doesn't have to be this brand though, okay? So you want to use that. You want to put that in your hair, run it through your hair, comb it through your hair before you go ahead and do the heatless curls. The next tip I have for you guys is I'm gonna have this all day, okay? All day, literally. I'm not gonna need any hairspray. It's gonna stay all day. I don't need hairspray. But if you want your curls to last for more than one day and you want it to last for a couple more days, then this is the hairspray. This is the only hairspray I will use now because it is waterless. Yes, you need to find a hairspray that is waterless, because if it's waterless, it's not going to leave that sticky, nasty, gross residue on your hair where you can't brush it. It leaves like a white residue and like it's like stiff and gross to touch. No, this hairspray does not do that. This hairspray keeps the style, holds the style, but your hair is still touchable. It's still soft. There's no sticky residue because it is waterless. So I'm using Marc Anthony Hydrating Coconut Oil and Shea Butter Volume Hairspray infused with biotin, and again, it is waterless. There is no water in this formula, so therefore no stickiness. It doesn't have to be this brand. It can be any brand that has waterless, has to have the waterless formula to it, okay? That's the kind of hairspray you want, because if you use hairspray, I'm sure you have this experience with thin hair. You'll use hairspray and it makes your hair sticky, weighs it down, then it looks like a rat's nest and it gets frizzy and it's gross, and then you want to brush it out and then you brush it and then your curls fall out because you brush it. It's just a nightmare. This stuff does not do this. It does not do this at all. It does what a hairspray is supposed to do, which is just hold the style. Hey guys, so this is day 2 of the heatless curls with the products that I talked about, how my curls are still holding. So they're nice, loose, big curls now. And I just put hairspray on last night before I went to bed and put my hair up in a ponytail and slept like that. And it's literally like after work and my hair is still curled. Looking good, looking good, looking good. So yeah, that is day 2. The next tip I have for you guys is don't brush your curls. Don't try to brush your curls out. Keep them. There might be a little bit of frizz, no big deal, whatever. You just rock the volume, rock it. Use the hairspray. Use the hairspray. I spray that at night before I go to bed, because it will hold my style at night while I'm like sleeping, literally laying flat on my curls. It holds that. Your curls won't fall out because you have the hairspray protecting your hairstyle. Then the last product I use in the morning is I use just dry shampoo, any dry shampoo. I use that on my roots just to give the crown more volume. It really works to really amp up the crown of your head, gets rid of that greasy, gross look, and just, you know, like refreshes your hairstyle and gets you ready for the day. And literally, my curls last 3 days. I'm going to show you guys footage of the 3rd day after waking up of how my curls look right now, so you guys can see how long these curls last. It is freaking amazing. Hey guys, this is just footage for day 3 of heatless curls. Here's how they look. I'll take my hair down for you all. No. Boo. So my hair is still holding curls. Well, they're more like waves, but like loose, large, big curls. And this is literally day 3, and as you can see, I even had my hair up and the curls were still holding. And I brushed them out this morning. They're still holding their curl pretty good. And remember, so yeah, day 3, guys. Looks good. Okay, these are the products that have worked for me that I have gone 15 years trying to find things that worked to keep my hair looking voluminous with curls and rocking curls for more than 2 hours. If you like beauty videos like this, like for instance, how to get volume at the crown of your head, which I will link on the end card, subscribe. Also, if there are any products that you have found to be like epic for keeping curl, for keeping style, for just really upping your hair game, please comment them below. I would love to try new hair products because maybe there's better ones out there than the ones I recommended. So comment down below for other viewers to see and for me to see and try out. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.